This is the question we have on our hands. If A is equal to that matrix and B is equal to that matrix, show that A plus B is equal to B plus A. So this question requires that we prove the concepts of the interchangeability, which is inherent in addition, even also in multiplication. We know kuti tikati 3 plus 4 zvakafanana nekuti 4 plus 3. The same happens with multiplication. Tikati 3 times 4, it is the same as 4 times 3. But kana taku addition or division, the order matters. 3 minus 4 is different from 4 minus 3. The same applies with 3 dividing 4 is different from 4 dividing 3. So that is what that question requires us to prove. But before we get into it, may you please consider subscribing so that we can grow as a family. Saka zvanzi A iri equal to that matrix, B is equal to that matrix. As we discussed earlier, we have to cross-check whether A and B are of the same order. So what is the order of A and what is the order of B? Before we even consider the order, we can clearly see that is a square matrix. And when we now verify the order, we see that we have 3 rows, 1, 2, and 3. We also have 3 columns, 1, 2, and 3. So the first matrix A is a 3 by 3 matrix. The same applies to B, also a 3 by 3 matrix. Kureva kuti we can add them. Saka, to answer this question now, we do have to consider panapa. So we want to consider A plus B. So A plus B is equal to, what is matrix A? Upon 2, 4, 3, then it's 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 2, like that. So this is A plus, what is B? 3, 1, 4, minus 1, 3, 2, then 2, 1, minus 1, like that. Takuchita correspondence. We are now adding things according to their corresponding positions. Saka 2 iri kumucheto kunoku chaedana na 3 iri panapa. 2 plus 3, then 4 plus 1, 3 plus 4, then toya pakati panapa 3 plus minus 1. Ngazvinyorose zvazviri. Tinozo simplify as we do our final working. Then it's 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2. Then kumucheto kunoku 0 plus 2, 1 plus 1, minus 2 plus minus 1, like that. Now further simplification, this is equal to 2 plus 3 and 5, 4 plus 1 also 5, 3 plus 4 is 7. Tikati 3 plus minus 1, we know kuti panosangana plus na minus panova na minus. So it's 3 minus 1 panapa, which is 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. 0 plus 2 and 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 1 plus minus 1 means minus 1 minus 1 to make minus 3. So this is the answer we are getting after adding A plus B. Now what do we have to do? Let us now consider, let me use a different color. We now want to consider B plus A. So we know that B Indian, B it's 3, 1, 4. Then it's minus 1, 3, 2. Then 2, 1, minus 1. Panapa. This is being added to G. What is A? A indeed 2, 4, 3. Then 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Then 0, 1, minus 2. saka toda kuona kuti answer yatinowana inonofanana here neanswer yatawana kumusoro. We have confirmed earlier they have the same order, saka tangoshandisa correspondence. 3 iri kumucheto kunoku plus 2 iyo 1 plus 4, then it's 4 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3, then it's 3 plus 2, then it's 2 plus 1. Toya kumucheto kuno toti 2 plus 0, 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus minus 2. Let us simplify tuone. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 3 is 7. Minus 1 plus 3 simply means 3 minus 1, which is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, then minus 1 plus or minus 2, it's minus 1 minus 2, which is minus 3. This is the final answer we are getting. Saka the duty now is to compare these two. 5, 5, 7. So we have to compare. Makombero atinoita manje ndekuti we have to make sure that tiri kuona kufanana at every particular position. Saka pano tina 5 apo tina 5. 5, 5, 7, 7. Then 2, 2, 5, 5, 3, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, minus 3, minus 3. Saka because zvakafanana kudai, so we can then make a conclusion. Therefore, A plus B is equal to B plus A. This serves to tell you kuti ma properties, ma principles addition or multiplication, let us say addition for now, achinje because takudila nema matrix. So that will be the question.